Hello, hello. My name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria's Place, Tiffany Inspired Home Decor. All things Tiffany here. How is everyone doing today? I'm so happy you came over to see me. I have a great surprise. We are also doing an unboxing, but guess what? It's an unboxing of Pre-Love, my first video unboxing of a Pre-Love Tiffany Co item. So let's get into this video. I hope everyone is doing great on this Friday. I'm so happy you came over to visit me on my channel today. So come on, let's get into this video. I'm very excited to open this up. Okay, so here we go. I'm opening and seeing this for the first time with you. All I did was take it out of the box, the post office, the mailing box, brown box, okay? So as you can see, it says the Realreal. And if you don't know what the Realreal is, the Realreal is a place that you can buy pre-loved designer items that already have been used by someone else, but you get a chance to enjoy it second go around for, much less than what you pay for it full price, or if it was brand new. And they also authenticate it to make sure that it is real. So, it's a safe place to go and purchase some things. Now, not all things will come in the original Tiffany box or designer item that you will purchase, but on the descriptions down below, as you read the items, it will let you know if it comes with the dust cloth or the dust bag and the box. It will indicate that, okay? So this one came with it, but you can also see it had a code, okay? So this one came with it. This is the Realreal. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it says, let's read it. It says, thank you for shopping sustainable with the Realreal and giving new life to luxury items. Together, we are supporting, circulating, and making positive impact on the planet. If you haven't already, please try our consignment service. It's easy with free in-home pickup, drop-off, or mail-in service. Over 100 plus experts, brand authenticities, gems, do all the work and earn maximum value. We accept luxurious fashion, fine jewelry and watches, home decor, art, and kids. Give it a try. Okay? 100% expert authenticity. At the Realreal, there is an expert behind every item. Each piece is put through a multiple point brand specific authorization process so you can shop with confidence. I love it. My receipt is here. And it says consign with us, and it gives you all the places and information. Okay? Probably can't see that, but very nice. And that's the Realreal. So it came in a sack. So the Realreal put theirs in a sack. But like I said, when you're reading down at the description below, it'll let you know if it's coming with the dust bag and the box. So let's open it up and let's see what we have. Okay. It's not the original tissue paper. It's just white tissue paper. There's no written name or anything. There's no name of Tiffany Co. Just white tissue paper. Oh, we have the dust cloth. Very nice. We have it. Can you guess what it is? And there's even a card down, a care card, I believe. Let's see. Oh, so that was nice. That was nice. So we did have something. Let's see. This is just the card. Nope, it's not an envelope or nothing. It's just a piece of white cardstock. And this is Tiffany Co. Yep, it's the care card. It's the care card. How to care for the item. So that was nice. And remember, this item's pre-loved, so I didn't pay the original price for it. And I have to go back into my notes to tell you how much I paid for it. But let's see inside what it is. Ta-da! So we have a card holder. We have a Tiffany & Company card holder in the Tiffany blue. Okay, so right here it says Tiffany & Co. Made in Italy. Tiffany & Co. Made in Italy. And here we have, look at that. So here we have a little tag and it says, an expert behind every item. This item is final sale and is not returnable. Okay, so that's good to know. This item is final sale and not returnable. So we have 1, 2, and then you have the main card slot in the front, and then you also have one in the back. Of course, it's made with leather. This is genuine leather. Absolutely beautiful. You can look inside. You can look at the condition of it. Let me show you the condition of this credit card or your business card holder. You will put your business cards in here. Oh, you can put your credit cards. You use it for whatever you like to use it for. So while I look for my house, I will be changing my bag. So these items will be going into my bag. While I am looking and searching for my house, so we can decorate with all things Tiffany & Company. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And you know it has that pebble look. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but it is absolutely beautiful. I'm very pleased with the Realreal. Go check it out. That's www.therealreal. And everything that you can do for Tiffany that I'm going to show you, you can do it for any luxury designer you choose fit to work with, okay? Or you choose fit to buy your items with. So yes, I will be putting my business cards in here. This is the original Tiffany & Co. dust cover. For the business card holder. So when you're looking, and if you do want boxes, make sure when you go down and read the description that you actually look for the ones that are offering boxes, so you can have them and have somewhere to place your pre-loved item. I think it's absolutely wonderful. I am pleased with this, very pleased. There's hardly no wear and tear on it. There's no threads falling apart. So I'm very happy with this. Would I recommend the Realreal? Absolutely. Now, everyone's human, so things will slide past even the experts, because we're only human. So I ask that you take precaution and make sure that your item has been definitely authenticated, that it is real, okay? But I'm very happy with this item. And they also gives you discounts off, so go check out the Realreal. All All right, so I am very happy with my purchase from the Realreal, online shopping for the first time through the Realreal, which have pre-loved consignment items as well. I'm so happy with my purchase of my credit card or business card holder. Absolutely beautiful, pre-loved item. Absolutely love it. Let's say our affirmation for today is, I attract lots of money to me. Let's say that again. I attract lots of money to me. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend, and we're going to work on this new home together. Have a wonderful weekend, and I see you Monday in the next video. Bye for now. The Realreal, pre-loved, absolutely beautiful. Take care.